Hy-Vee customers who are at a higher risk of becoming seriously ill from COVID-19 once again have a reserved hour to do their shopping. As of today, Hy-Vee is reinstating the policy which was first issued in April. Customers over the age of 60, expectant mothers, and people with underlying health conditions can have the store to themselves from 7 until 8 in the morning, Monday through Friday. Hy-Vee is asking all other customers to visit the store at another time. In a statement, the chain says it's important to bring back the reserved shopping hour as COVID-19 continues to spike in the Midwest.